Hi there, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. Find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. I really like this question. Uh, it sounds a little confusing, but it'll be really nice to solve. Okay, so how do we do this? Let's start by writing down what we know from this question. So it is given, find the 31st term, right? So how do you define a term in arithmetic progression? So we usually say a of n, right? So here they said find the 31st term. So we have to find a of 31, which is unknown, right? That is what we have to find, where the 11th term is 38. So it is said the 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So only these two values are given. So from this we'll have to calculate a of 31. Now before going ahead, let's write down the formula for an arithmetic progression. Write all the formulas that are there. So a set of numbers a1, a2, a3 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on, where d is the common difference and d can be calculated as a of n plus 1 minus a of n. In other words, d equals a3 minus a2, and this should also be equal to a2 minus a1. We also have another formula to find an nth term. So to calculate a of n, we write a plus n minus 1 into d. So let's use all these formulas to see if we can solve it, right? So coming back to the question, we have a of 11 and a of 16, right? So let's use this last formula that we wrote here. Okay, let's write this here. So we have a of 11 equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the value of a11 is 38 equals, we do not know the value of a, so I'll write it as this, plus the n, the value of n is nothing but the nth term itself, which is 11 here, right? So 11 minus 1 into d, which is the common difference. Now we will keep this equation on one side. Let's write down another equation, which is a of 16. So a of 16 equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So here the a of 16 value is 73 equals, a is unknown. Here n is 16 and then minus 1 into d. Okay. So now let's start solving this equation or simplifying this equation, right? So we will first take the equation on the left, which is 38 equals a plus, we have 11 minus 1 into d, 11 minus 1 equal to 10d. Okay, now from this, suppose we want to find out the value of a, right? So how can we do that? What we'll do is we'll write the same equation. Now I only want to keep a here, right? I should remove 10d. So since it is plus 10d, we will do a minus 10d here. Now whatever I do on the right hand side should be also repeated on the left hand side. Now balancing the equation, plus 10d and minus 10d cancel out each other. We get a equals 38 minus 10d. Now let's move on to the second equation. we have 73 equals A plus 16 minus 1 is 15D. Now we know the value of A from this equation, right? So let's do the substitution. So I'll write 73 equals, instead of A, I will write this formula here, which is 38 minus 10D and then plus 15D. Now let's simplify this. We get 73 equals, removing the parenthesis or the bracket, we get 38 minus 10D plus 15D. So minus 10D and plus 15D can be simplified. We get 73 equal to 38 plus 5D. Okay, so we want to find the value of D here, right? So we want to remove 38. So I will add a minus 38 here. That minus 38 will be added on the left side of the equation also. So now the equation is balanced. Plus 38 minus 38 cancel out each other. So we have 73 minus 38, which is we get 5 and we get 3. That too plus 35. So we have 35 equals 5D. Now I want to remove the D, so I will divide it by 5 on both sides to balance the equation. 5 and 5 cancel out each other. We have 5 into 1 equal to 5, 5 into 7 equal to 35. So we get D equal to 7. So now we have found the value of D equal to be 7. Okay. So let's write another equation, which is A of 31 equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have A of 31 equals the value of A. So A is something that we have to find out. Now can we do it? Yes, we can. If you see, we still have this formula. So let's do the calculation here. So I'll write A equals 38 minus 10 into, we found the value of D to be 7. So I'll write 7 here. So A equals 38 minus 70. So we have minus 70 and plus 38. And the answer is, we have 10, we get 2, and we get 3 here, which is minus 32. Okay, so A equals minus 32. Now let's use this here. We have minus 32 plus the value of n. N is 31, right? 31 minus 1 into D. D is 7. Okay, so let's simplify this. Minus 32 plus 30 into 7 equals minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. Okay, so 210 minus 32. So we get 10 and now 8. Here is a 0. So we get a 7 after carrying over, and then we get a 1. And this is plus 178. So A of 31 equals 178. So the final answer is the 31st term of this arithmetic progression, where 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73, is 178. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.